Welcome to the 30-day challenge, or live every day in April. And now we are going to day 8. And this is a very important tip if you want to share with your viewers how you have some text you want to share with the viewers, and when you're going live with your iPhone. So I'm going to show you the hack how to accomplish that. I'm now on my iPhone and I like to go live. So I'm going to go for go further down. You scroll down when you're going to create a post. You go live and you press the live button here. And what you see is here is the before you start live, on the left side you see this icon. It's like the magic wand. You press that, and then you are looking at on the right side, lower right side corner, there's an icon with a wrench, like a toolbox, and you press that toolbox. So this should be helping you to flip, because you want to talk about your favorite book, for instance, and of course the viewer cannot see it's not easy for them to catch, and it dilutes on the message that you want to give. So what you do is you press on the left side is this icon, which is a flip. You press that, and now the text reads the way it's supposed to be. So this is the tip for you for today. So test it out, and test it many times that you have confidence to create this particular impact when you are going live with your iPhone.